Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to share your Airtable base with a team in 2025. Sharing allows teammates to collaborate, update data, and view records together in real time. It's quick to set up and helps you control who can access and edit your workspace. Start by opening your Airtable base and clicking the Share button in the top right corner. You'll see a menu where you can invite teammates by typing their email addresses. Choose a permission level like editor, commenter, or read-only, depending on what kind of access you want to give. If you want to share your base publicly, click Share Publicly. This will create a link that anyone can use to view your base without editing it. You can also manage privacy settings by choosing whether to allow copying or to keep it private to your workspace. For advanced sharing, go to Workspace Settings. From here, you can invite entire teams, organize bases by department, and manage access for everyone. You can remove members if needed and keep your workspace secure. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.